All right, we have a word problem here. We're going to have to draw a picture of, the picture of this is on page 567 in your book. On a small lake, you swim from point A to point B at a bearing of north 28 degrees east, then to a point C at a bearing of north 58 degrees west, and finally back to point A. C lies 800 meters directly north of point A. Approximate the total distance swum. All right, we need a really good picture of this. So here's kind of what this looks like. Point A is going to be down here. Let's get a pencil. How about that? Point A is going to be down here, and point C is directly north of it. We were told that. 800 meters north of it, to be exact. All right, and then from point A, we went to point B at a bearing north 28 degrees east. So from the north, we go to the east 28 degrees. And we head out here to point B somewhere. All right, and then from point B, we want to go to C at a bearing of north 58 degrees west. So from the north, we go 58 degrees west. So this is 58 degrees out here. And that's what our triangle looks like. All right, so to do this, we're going to need to figure out some of these angles. Notice that this line and this line are parallel. So that means this angle and this angle are opposite interior angles. So this will be 58 degrees. And then simply by adding and subtracting from 180, we can find angle B over there. I want to say 94 degrees. Does that sound right? Okay, we want to find the total distance that we swim, so we need to find side A and side B. So let's get started. We'll start with the pair that we know. We need 94 and 800, so the sine of 94 over 800 equals, doesn't matter what we find next, we'll say the sine of 28 over A. That's supposed to be an A. It looks like a 9, but it's an A. We're going to cross multiply. And then we will divide by sine of 94 on both sides. And when we do that, put that all into our calculator, A turns out to be 376.5 meters. All right, now we need to find side B, so start with the pair that you know, sine of 94 over 800, and then the one we're looking for, we're going to need 58 and B. Oh, I labeled those incorrectly. That should have been a C, huh? That's okay. Sine of 58 over C. Again, just saving myself the work. You're going to cross multiply, you're going to divide, and C turns out to be 680 meters. And this question was asking for the total distance that was swum, so we have to add up 800 plus 376.5 plus 680, and our total distance is 1,856.5 meters, which is over a mile. That's really long. By the way, do you see this right here? That's me. That's about where I drown, because I'm not a very good swimmer. All right, so the law of sines, it's not the law of sines, but sines can also be used to find an area of a triangle. That's not right. These are the different formulas. You don't need to have these all memorized. Just know that whatever angle you know, it's the two sides that are around it. So if you know angle A, you need sides B and C, not the side across from it. These all say the same thing, but it's 1/2 BC sine of A. So we want to find the area of a triangular lot having two sides of lengths 90 meters and 52 meters and the included angle of 102. So we're just going to use that formula directly. Our two sides are 90 and 52. And then the included angle is 102 degrees. Plug that all into your calculator. 2,289 square meters.